Welcome, here I've got Xiaomi Mi 10T Pro and I'm gonna show you how to activate image stabilization while recording a video at this device. So let's start by tapping on the camera button to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. Let's change this to the video by using this settings bar and just simply going to the left. So here we are. Now let's go to the right corner to this button. When we tap on it we get access to more settings about the camera we can manage. From here let's go to the left to this button. When we pick it we can open the advanced camera settings, and in the video mode we have the image stabilization at the second place. So by using this button we can easily turn it off and another tap to turn it on again, like that. And also when we go back to the camera, we can see in the video mode one extra button, which is here, the second from the left. By just one tap here we can turn on steady video, so this is one extra image stabilization at this device, and another tap to turn it off. And this is how to use this. Thanks for watching, subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.